Oh, good. I'm Romeu. I'm from Brazil. I'm working at Kinross Paracatu. It's a gold mine have six sites in the world. I can understand better the flow, the process. I can talk with my guys more with more propriety. It's a great step in my career because this I can understand all this in English. Is difficult. It's my second language. It's difficult for me, but I will use what I learn here to apply in Paracatu. Sure. I need to put what I learn here in action there. I need to pass my knowledge with my team. It's very important to my team. I need to engage my team with the tools I learn here, and I hope I'm clear for these guys, and we grow up together, my team and me, and the company, of course. Great for opportunity. We had a lot of support with tables, with reports, with materials, and I can see things I don't see before. How you need to put it in practice this tool, and the support and materials of Eruditio training give me propriety. Sorry, I don't know if that's a good word, but I can put in action what I learned. Thinking what I need to do and what I need to improve in my team. When I see the material, I can find there a lot of answers for my questions. So I need to improve some process. I read and found the solution. So the material is good. I will use this material for art, and I hope it is improving, and I do other program here with Eruditio.